Hello again, little coders. Robo is back. Let's build more fun things. Before we start, did you build your first page already? If not, pause the video and go watch our first fun class. We made a real web page together. Link is in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. It helps Robo make more coding magic for you. Click the bell icon button so you never miss our next fun lesson. Alright, ready to make your web page even cooler? Let's learn about buttons. Say it loud. Buttons, buttons, buttons. Buttons are the thing you can click, click, click. Try saying it. Click, click, click. You already have your web page, right? Open your notepad file. Let's add more magic in it with type, save and see. Let's add this inside the body. Type button tag hello button tag close. Say it again. Button hello button. Great job. Pause me now. Try it with me. Ask your parents for help. Let's do more buttons. Type button tag boo button tag close. Boo, you scared Robo. Now try button tag I love coding button tag close. Say it with me. Button I love coding button. Amazing. You are a super coder. Want to make button colorful? Style time. Type button style color red. I love coding button tag close. Try other colors too, like blue or green or pink. Button help us do fun things later, like clicking to change things. We will do that soon. You did it! Hooray! You made a page with buttons. Next time we will learn how to change text with buttons. Oh, that's magic. Don't forget to watch this again. Repeat, repeat, repeat. It makes your brain strong. Parents, join your kids, watch together, play together and learn with them. Subscribe for more Robo lessons. Bye bye little coders.